Hello, my name is Leo. Today we have this Buzz Lightyear. It's unboxed. I got some scissors, and let's get started. Dyer, this is Buzz. And you look for the package. It's kind of, yes, farther trash here, but so this is the cool Buzz Lightyear from Memorial Day. Like Memorial Day. So this Buzz Lightyear is a action figure because it's from Toy Story 5, I guess, on 2026. And if you move it, it can move um 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 1 sec. If you move his legs, it just bend like this a little bit. So I think it's very funny a little bit. So this Buzz is kind of artistic toy. I think he moves his arms a little bit. So stand up tall, and if you can move his head, just a little wobbly, like the package does. I think is very special because it has a star. Because in the backside, I cannot try in it. So, okay. And like WNI. Yes, that's like WNI. Yeah, I just know this Buzz Lightyear. I'll get for it. Yeah, very artistic and very cool. Bye bye. See you next videos. Goodbye. Bye, Buzz.